First question ko lang, it was rightly described as an old-fashioned romance story, and parang sa akin personally, ang main takeaway is parang love shouldn't be too complicated. Parang kasi complicated lang yung circumstances ng characters, but the story itself, yung love story, uncomplicated siya. So, para sa inyo ba, do you think real love, do you agree ba na parang real love shouldn't be complicated? Or can you relate to that parang theme or message?
Yun daw po kasi direct yung in love na in love.
Sa akin, the more complicated it is, the better. Thank you.
Ria, baka may gusto sabihin.
I don't think it should be complicated at all. It should be as easy and natural as breathing. For me, kanya-kanya. Of course, exciting din yun. Pero, in fairness naman, hindi naman ako nabobore sa sa current status.
Hindi naman love story. Complicated.
Oh, yung love story ko is very simple. Love is easy. It should be, all the time.
Kay Tom din, ngayon ba ang lampano ng sa'yo simple or complicated?
Sino ba nagtatanong? Natagpuan si Jerry.
Love should simply be love. Siyempre, yung buhay kumpleto sa Ricardo, hindi natin may iwasan yung no one is immune from life's yung putik ng buhay. Pero yung pag-iibigan yung dalawa, dapat nandun yun, dapat nananatili. You should be each other's advocates and partners. Dapat yung part na yun, hindi komplikado.
Follow-up question na lang ako, Tom. Kumusta yung kissing scene ninyo ni Rian? Napatili kami, kinilig kami eh.
Yeah, hanggang dito lang yung shot pero hindi nyo nakita, nakagano kayo pareho. Nakagano. Oo.
Rian, reaction ko rin lang. Gawin niyo yung kissing scene ni Tom.
Reaction ko daw sa kissing scene direct. You know what, actually I really appreciate how it happened kasi everyone was so careful and respectful with the way they presented it to both of us. Like, si Direct Joel was actually very careful and hindi yung gawin niya to. It's like, I believe this moment really calls for a kiss. Is that okay with the both of you? So, parehas kami toothbrush. We're like game. Yeah, it was really carefully picked moment, diba? If you notice naman throughout the movie, it's not very kiss heavy, I guess. So parang I agree that moment really called for it kasi this is, diba, where everything comes together and they finally get to be together.
Okay, thank you. Ang next tanong ay magagaling
sa lahat. My question is, yung sa main cast, sabi nyo nga kanina, love shouldn't be complicated. Pero base sa napanood natin kanina, medyo kayo, you defied everything against all odds ng pagmamahalan ninyo. So for Rian, JC, and Tom, how far would you go para sa pag-ibig, para sa taong minamahal niyo? Rian, you first.
Well, I think naman kasi na in general, life talaga is complicated to begin with, na hindi na natin kailangan dagdagan in any way. Kahit naman sa kwento namin, yung mga challenging parts is nanggagaling sa ibang mga sources, yung mga crazy twists and turns of life. So I just believe that if you have a partner or if you love each other, parang you should be able to go through anything together. Ayun nga, hindi kayo mag-iiwanan. And it's not about finding the perfect person for you. It's just someone that you can grow with.
Pwede ba copy-paste na? I agree.
Walang kopya.
I totally agree. Pwede ba? Parang ganun din yung sagot ko eh. Pwede ba? Pwede ba yun?
Sige, pwede. Total magkatabi kayo. Tom, sana iba.
Thank you, Rian. Okay, Tom.
Okay, ipaparaphrase ko. Yes, please, paki-paraphrase.
Ipaparaphrase ko. Kasi hanggat kaya dapat ipaglaban. Siyempre, pag pareho kayo, katulad ni Sam and Rian, pareho kayong nakikipagsapalaran. You're doing it together. Katulad ni sinabi ko, you should be each other's advocates. Doing it together. Hindi yung kayo yung...
Ayun, thank you and congratulations. Bira akong maluha sa pelikula, naluha ako kanina.
Wow!
Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Romel.
Okay, so moving on, well, where are you?
Rian, kung halimbawa ikaw sa totoong buhay, posible bang ma-inlove ka sa isang tao out of utang na loob? Halimbawa, kahit na may karelasyon ka ng iba, kagaya dito sa pelikula, jowa mo na si JC dahil tumulong kayo si napawalang sala ka. Pwede ba yung ma-inlove ka at iiwan mo yung karelasyon mo? O si Sam Bersosa nanonood. Char.
Out of utang na loob. Hindi. Parang if ever, hindi yun yung magiging dahilan. Parang not out of utang na loob. Siguro kailangan may ma-realize ako na kung if the person has really failed me and then this other person is offering to treat me right, pero I don't think it's utang na loob. So, short answer, no.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So kahit, sige na, isa lang pala na.
Isa lang, limit lang daw sa isang tanong. Thank you, Kuya Romel. Of course, we have a question here from Kuya Gordy.
Congratulations. Hindi ko alam kung gusto nyong balansehin talaga yung since Rian, JC, and Tom ang bida rito. Kasi kay Tom, si Tom at saka si Rian na nagkatuluyan. Pero ewan ko lang sa ibang nakakapanood kasi parang mas yung simpatya ko napunta tuloy kay JC. Parang unfair naman, nagmahal naman yung tao. Tapos, magagawa mo pa bang kumanta sa kasal ng ex mo? Inimbita mo pa? Totoo ba talaga yun? Sa inyo ba, Tom and JC? Gagawin nyo ba yan?
For me, yes.
Talaga lang ha? Grabe ka naman in love.
For me, yes. Kasi kung mahal mo naman talaga yung tao, iintindihin mo talaga kung ano yung choice na gagawin niya at kung ano yung nararamdaman niya talaga. And kung napanood niyo talaga yung buong story, alam natin kung ano yung mas nababagay na buhay para dun sa character ni Rian. And yun yung binigay nung character ko sa kanya as a gift. Na mas magiging maayos yung buhay mo kapag nandun ka sa isa, na yung nandun kay Tom. So, I think yes, gagawin ko yun.
Tom, kaya mo rin gawin yun. Kung sakali nagpalit kayo ng role ni JC, sa tunay na buhay, kaya mo bang gawin yon? Or iimbitahin mo ba yung ex?
Kasi depende sa sitwasyon talaga eh. Kaya sa sitwasyon nila Lara, Joseph, tsaka Edwin, sincero naman sila sa mga nangyari. Kaya in that way, yeah. Kung kapareho nun, sa kahit si Joseph yung nasa sapatos ako ni Joseph.
Pero unfair pa rin yung Tom, yung eksenang naka-shorts ka na nga, nag-towel ka pa.
Wala, kita mo, puro mo na yung likod ko doon.
Oo.
Bigla ako nagdidirect dun eh.
Magpabakat pa naman sana doon si Direk, nag-towel ka pa. Anyway, congratulations.
On the day off.
Si Ria na lang siguro yung pwedeng sumagot. Nakakatuwa kasi after watching this film, nakita talagang may chemistry pa rin talaga kayo ni JC. After La Lola, kahit na, diba, hindi may mapigilan, may kilig-kiligan, okay din naman kayo ni Tom, pero nandun talaga pa rin yung napatunayang may chemistry talaga kayong dalawa. And hopefully, masundan pa ng isa pang project para sa inyong dalawa. Ano pang masasabi mo doon, Rian? Tara, agree ka rin doon na nandun pa rin talaga yung chemistry ninyong dalawa.
Sabi ni JC, thank you daw, napitit ka daw.
Totoo naman.
Well, talaga namang, I'm just gonna go back to that time since nabanggit mo. I remember the first time, I don't remember the first time I met you, but I remember when we were working together before and I would watch you work. Actually, hindi pa ako masyadong marunong umarte nun. Hindi ko pa alam masyado kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng acting. But watching JC, he was one of the first people talaga na I look up to. Yung parang gusto ko maging ganyan. Yung parang magaling siya na artista. He really respects his work and his craft. He takes it seriously, such a professional. So parang for me, yun yung gusto ko ding ma-emulate. And then, it means a lot to be able to work with him again after so many years. And I believe we're both different people now, and we've both grown, and we can only get better, hopefully. So I think that's what happened. And yes, I would love to work with him again also. Parang, until now, I still look up to him and his level of seriousness as an actor. And that's the kind of energy that I love to be around.
Pareho naman kayo happy na with your, of course, mga mahal niyo sa buhay, di ba? Pero hindi may iwasan kasi kahit paano naiisip, nagkainlaban ba talaga kayo noon? After Lola? Nagkaroon ba talaga ng feelings noon sa isa't isa?
Hindi na namin maalala, so...
Kinalimutan niyo na. Oo, pero at least naging happy kayo sa isa't isa noon.
What matters is now.
Diba, tumango na lang si JC.
Do you wanna add?
Thank you.
Okay, thank you din. Last na lang, kay Nela, congratulations Nela, ang napaka-challenging ng role na binigay sa'yo. Kinabahan ka ba doon nabasa mo yung script? Kasi, di ba, kahit paano talaga naitawid mo siya. Oo, paano mo yun naitawid, kumbaga?
Ayun nga po, given that it was challenging, syempre po, with the help of Direk na rin, of course, and understanding the character of Ella rin. So, yun lang din po yung para sa akin. I just had to understand my character, and of course, I had to have guidance with Direk, sa people po na, people close to me. Parang I asked, paano ko gagawin to? Paano kaya may tatawid to? Ganon. Pero I hope that I portrayed Ella well naman. Thank you.
Congrats. At mag-focus ka na sa acting. Kahit hindi ka na mag-beauty queen. Okay, thank you.
Yes, you did very well. Okay, so now we're down to our last.
Dun po sa personality ng tatlong ng mga characters po in this movie. Ano yung pinaka sa masasabi po natin na ito po yung personality niyo? Sa personality niyo po, dun sa tatlong lead characters. Strong woman, yung musician, kumbaga yung po personality niyo. Nasasabi niyo po na malaki yung pagkakatulad sa personal life.
Kaya tayo.
Miss Ria.
Yung pagkakatulad ng yung personality namin sa character.
Dito kasi nagbigay kayo. nag-on ka, nagbigay ka,
Oh yeah,
nag-give way ka para lumigaya yung babae na mahal mo. Ganyan ka rin ba sa totoong buhay?
Ayan, napaka-serious pala ng tanong mo. Hindi, sabihin ko na lang. Sa wife ko, siguro kung si Joseph nangaharana, siguro yung sa wife ko, haharanahin ko rin siya araw-araw, paulit-ulit. Ganun na lang.
Eh, Tom.
Kay Edwin, hindi naman yung pagkakapareho, pero if there's something that I really admire from him na I would aspire to, or at least I aspire to lagi, is he's very sincere, wala siyang ulterior motive. So sa situation nila ni Lara tsaka ni Joseph, hindi siya yung, oh, ito gagamitin kong paraan para mapasa akin si Lara. Wala siyang gano'n. He's really sincere na he wanted what was best for Joseph, he wanted what was best for Lara at the time. It just so happens na na-in-love din siya sa tao. Nagpakita rin ng motibo. Pero deep down, wala siyang ulterior motive na pabagsakin yung kung sino man. So if ever there's anything that I was aspire to, yun yung quality niya na gusto kong gayahin.
The good thing with Miss Rian characters is nagbigay talaga siya ng closure. Kumbaga ganun ka rin ba kapag may mga pending or kumbaga open, kailangan mo i-close bago ka talagang pumasok sa mga another relationship or
Oo, I believe na you have to, if you're getting feelings for someone else, you have to stop wasting the time of whoever you're wasting time. Ayun lang. Tama ba?
Okay, thank you. Last tanong kay Engineer Benji Austria. Sir, anong masasabi mo at nakapagbigay na naman ang Dentria Productions ng isang magandang pelikula?
Of course, overwhelmed at saka excited. Sana mapuno natin yung mga sinihan. Kasi itong pelikula na to may lesson siya, di ba? So sana panoorin ninyo lahat sa mga kaibigan ninyo, invite ninyo. Kasi relatable itong pelikula na to sa atin, nangyayari sa ating community ngayon. So nandun na yung social issues about human trafficking, and then yung yung illegal, alam na naman may yung sa drug trade natin ngayon, yun yung issue natin ngayon. So meron tayong matutunan sa pelikula na to. So invite of your friends na sana manood sila, kasi magandang pelikula, may aral, may mapupulot. No, hindi lang love story, kasi meron tayong social issues dito na relatable sa ating country ngayon. So thank you lahat.
Okay, thank you very much.